the responses are already finished, but we have another bayanihan 3. But at the same time, sovereignty of our country, John, cannot wait. It cannot wait. We have to really insist on our sovereignty. We have to insist that we have our own law. Kaya nga, I already requested that our committee should now handle this particular bill. The other bill pending that I filed is the archipelagic lanes. So there will be a definite place that there are certain latitudes, John, that the foreign vessels, although may right of entry sila, si commercial vessels, for example, ito yung lane. Kung they are permitted to come, ito lang lane pupunta sa. Hindi sila go around our country and spy, no? By archipelagic lanes na pending niya. Pero inuuna ko na muna to dyan, itong ating maritime zones. Kasi yung declaration ng China